What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. On this video we are going to be doing some maintenance on the hatch. I had an axle that was clicking for a while. Actually, I lagged on it, but now that I did the swap, I had everything disaligned in the front. So what I want to do is the front maintenance, get the axle done. I did the tie ride already. As you see from my last video, I got to get tires in the front again. So after I get the whole front done up, getting aligned, and I think that should be good for the front end, because it's time to drive her again, man. I've been missing this car for a long time. And after I do that, I guess we start working our way towards the back of the car and start fixing little details that it actually needs to get fixed on. But as of right now, we're gonna do the axle and we're gonna start from there. So let's get it. Yo, I cannot believe this shit. Oh, hell no. Bro, I was wondering what the hell was that clicking sound. I don't even have the bolt for the damn caliper, bro. Are you kidding me right now? What the hell? Yo, I am dancing with the devil. I can't. All right, guys, so update on the hatch right now. As soon as I saw the caliper like basically come off, after that, I actually decided to stop recording and actually got really busy with the car. Started figuring out that, you know, what's going on and more, I guess, more serious things. As I was doing that, I went inside the car and I tried to start the car, and I ran into that relay problem again. This time, I decided to go more into it, and I realized that my harness was burnt. So, with that being said, I saw a part that was like seriously burnt. I'm showing that to you guys right now. All right, so you guys can have an idea of what I saw when I went under the dash. And when I saw this, it reminded me of what my boy Milton told me. He said, bro, if this part of the harness is burnt, because it happened to me, your whole harness is fried. And I'm like, nah, it can't be. It can't be. It fucking can't be. And it is. Everything fried, bro. So with that being said, bro, I took out the whole dash. The whole dash. Luckily this ain't burned up. It was just, oh man, I see something else back there. Nah, it's just this. But thank God. did a lot of bullshit on this harness, bro. Like they ran this to charge your phone. They adapted it to, what is it? I think they had adapted it to the power on the radio, which is right there. You know what I mean? But I ain't really too mad about it, bro. I mean, this is what happens when you buy bills that are not yours. You know what I mean? Either you're gonna buy a good one, or you're gonna bound to run into some problems like I did. So, in a way I'm mad, in a way I'm not. I'm mad because I want to drive it, but I'm not because finally I get to actually learn more about the car, and this time around it's really gonna be my build. You know what I mean? And I'm not gonna lie, back in the day I was terrified of the wire harness on the EF. But yeah, I got patience for it now, and I'm ready to learn. So yeah, that's what we up to right now. So she's down for a bit right now. She's definitely down for a little bit, but I gotta order a relay, because if I just get another harness and I put it on the car, that's just gonna happen again. Then my boy told me probably the pump is too strong for this type of, I guess, harness, because it's like so old. So I'm gonna get a relay and run it direct, and yeah, that's how we're gonna solve this problem, man. So we'll keep you updated on what's going on with the hatch, and that's it. Stay tuned.